It is 8:20 on a Thursday evening in Jacksonville, Florida.
As you can see, it has rained, and we're kind of in between the storm.
Rain waves, so not much happening right now. The wind is really not blowing. Everything's nice and calm. It's almost like it was a fall shower, and everything is kind of back to normal and drying up. So it's about midnight on Friday morning, October the 7th, and the weather's picking up just a little bit. It's about 1:30 in the morning, Friday morning. You can see it's really started to rain. A little windy, not too bad, but the rain is really coming down fairly hard. Good morning. It's 7:42 in the morning, Friday morning. It's gotten a lot of rain. It's been pouring all night long, and it's not too bad yet. 10:30 in the morning. 11 a.m. 12 o'clock. 12:45 Friday afternoon. Hurricane is about 85 miles southeast of us. The eye of the hurricane. And we're having some pretty good gusts, but nothing like it was about 30 minutes ago. 1 o'clock. I was inside. It started to get pretty windy outside. 1:30. It's 2:30 now, and the winds have now changed direction since we're on the other side of the hurricane as it's starting to pass Jacksonville. The winds are extremely strong at times with big gusts, and I really don't like being out here when they come through. So we will make this brief. 3 o'clock.